Often during fasts, we're always looking for quick and easy recipes. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and today for the Navratri special, I have one of my favorites, Samo Sago Dosas. I'm going to start with making the batter first. So I have 1 cup of Samo that I have soaked for about 5 to 6 hours. Samo is basically very high on fiber and rich in minerals like iron and magnesium. So extremely healthy to eat. I'm going to add this in the blender. Drain out all the water from the Samo. Next, I have half a cup of sago or sabudana that I've soaked for 5 to 6 hours. This provides energy and is very easy to digest. Let's add this in. 1 piece of ginger chopped, 3 green chilies chopped, 3 tablespoons of curd. Let's grind all these ingredients together. Let's check on this. Once all the ingredients are ground into a fine paste, give it a stir. Add in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, not much. I don't think I need to add too much water, it's a perfect consistency. Add in salt to taste. And let's grind this once again. This batter is ready. Let's remove it in a bowl. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Next in this batter, I'm going to add in cumin seeds. So just a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Mix it well. Let this batter rest for 20 to 25 minutes. Cover it and keep it aside. The dosa batter is well rested, and now time to make the dosas. I've kept the dosa pan on the flame to heat up nicely. Once the pan is nice and hot, bring it off the flame. Sprinkle a little bit of water. Clean the dosa pan after making every dosa. And now let's spread the batter. Place it back on the flame and cook on high heat. Also sprinkle a little bit of coriander leaves. Slightly press on the leaves so that it sticks to the dosa batter. Once the batter starts to dry out, drizzle a little bit of oil or ghee, whatever you wish to add. Keep swirling the pan so that it cooks evenly from all sides. During vrats, our body doesn't receive all the nutrients it needs. So we need to find replacements to fill up this void. And this dosa is the perfect recipe. Once it's done from all the sides, let's remove it from the pan. With the coriander leaves, you can also sprinkle some light green chillies, which are not very spicy. Just finely chop them and sprinkle them over the dosa. The fasting ingredients differ from kitchen to kitchen, so you can plus and minus as per your preferences. The dosas are ready. This dosa is not only healthy but also serves as a nutritious breakfast. You can serve it with my recipe of jeera aloo or coconut chutney, for which the link is given in the description box below if it suits your fasting preferences. Do give this a try, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.